Hello everybody, this is Nora, and on this video I will be reviewing and swatching for you two colors new to me from Aimeili. So Aimeili has graciously sent me two different colors of their brand, their base coat and top coat, so I can try out and review for you. And these products are available on Amazon, so I will have the link down below. And the two colors that you're already seeing on my nails are these two right here. And yes, I will have swatches for you. I will have a clip where you will see the application on these two colors. But let me go ahead and highlight a few things about the product. So again, the name is pronounced Aimeili, and the two colors that I have here are 111, this one 111, and 049. So the 049 is from their glittery diamond collection. This is this one right here, gorgeous lilac purpley with holographic chunky glitters and some micro glitters there as well. And here's what the bottles look like. Okay, these bottles are 10 ml. So all the bottles are this pretty pink, solid pink, and then you see on the top of the brush, they all have a little sticker like this with the number of the polish and a picture of the color of what it is, of what you'll know what the polish looks like. This one being one of the diamond glitter ones. So let me go ahead and open this for you, and you can see how gorgeous this is. So really good formula, and none of these two colors have a strong scent at all. I mean, really. Is super faint. I did no defined scent coming out of these bottles, and I got really up close to them. Check out the formula on this. I was able to get really good opacity of this gorgeous glitter and great distribution with only two coats. Okay, so I love this diamond one, and inside each bottle you can find a sheet like this with, you have instructions on how to work with gel polishes if you are new to gel polishes, how to do the removal. Okay, and let me go ahead and show you the other color. This is a 111. Again, just like the other one, same pink bottle, 10 millimeters, and there's your label right there. No, it's not a holographic color, so that label, this one you will only go by the number, not what the label looks like. And this one's a beautiful cream mint color. Check it out. Again, I did two coats on this one. Yes, you'll see. I will leave you with a tutorial as well on how I did the nail art. But there's a beautiful cream, opaque in two coats. It was very easy, nice and smooth application. And I am going to also point out, this one also came with a piece of paper, but I am going to point out something good to highlight about this brand. So these bottles come in these boxes, and on the side here you do have a listing of the ingredients. And many of you that may have found out if you're allergic to gel, or maybe it is a particular ingredient in the gels, you do have this list of ingredients, and this is something that I have noticed many brands fail to share. They do fail to share a list of ingredients of their products, and these are just this is just a warning on application, checking for allergies, etc. So yes, that is good. I wanted to highlight that about this brand. And in here I have the base coat and top coat. This top coat is a no wipe top coat, which is excellent. There you see the label, so you can see how these are labeled. This is the base. I have cute holographic labels, and then they are, you can tell them very clearly marked on their bottles as well as to which one is which. And on this top coat, I noticed no scent at all either. Very faint. Good formula. It cured in 30 seconds. Everything here, the colors, base and top coat, cured 30 seconds in my LED lamp. The base coat was the only one that I will honestly say was a little bit on the strong side when it came to a scent coming out of that bottle. Okay, just the base coat. There it is. Just from here, I mean, I'm at about a 10-inch distance, and I can smell it. But yeah, so this is the base coat. Now I'm going to go ahead and leave you guys. If you have any questions on these, please leave them below and I'll be happy to answer. Remember that I will have links down in the description bar below to these, available on Amazon. I would like to thank Aimeili for sending me these products to play with and review. I will now leave you with the swatch clips and a small tutorial on how to do these nails. I hope you guys enjoy and thank you for watching. So there you guys have it, the swatches on these two beautiful colors from Aimeili, the mint green and the beautiful hollow lilac. Two gorgeous colors that I was surprised how well they went together when I did the swatches and then continued to do an art on top of them. There is a website, aimeilinail.com, where there is a 10% coupon as well. You can get a 10% discount on any of their polishes. I will have that link below, and I will also scroll their 10% discount code at the bottom of the screen here. So I hope you guys enjoyed my video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.